Okay, the reason we're here today, we should be doing that, but instead of that, we've broken off to do this because the camera girl, who is the expert gardener here, has said she thinks that there's a problem with this plant. And even though it's not fully grown, she thinks that we should actually dig this one out and see what's underneath with a view to separating this from the rest of the crop. As you can see, it's quite good, quite healthy. Now, I bow to her experience because I have grown before in the UK, and I'm not a gardener. I grew some carrots, and the carrot, the green part of the carrot must have been that high, and I'm thinking, my God, they'll be jumbo bloody carrots, they will. So when I dug down, eventually I dug down, and the carrot must have been about like that. When I went to the pub that in the evening, I tried to convince the lads that I was growing bonsai carrots. These are like the Japanese bonsai tree that are old, but they are imitation of a regular tree, but they're miniature bonsai carrots. Now I'm hoping that this here is not going to be a replica of that. I'm going to use this to start with rather than go with that, because if we do have a potato down there, I don't want to spoil it. So we'll start back here a little bit. You have to bear with me because I don't know how far down we go with this, but we've broken off from doing the job over there because the camera girl saw this and thought there might be a problem. Hey, look at that. That's a beautifully formed potato. Very similar to a Jersey mid. Might be a little bit bigger than Jersey, but Jersey mids are the best you can get now. Look at that. That's the first one. I think we don't eat this. We put this behind the frame and put it on the wall. Yep. Because that's the first one we've got. That's right. I'll put that there. I don't want to go down and oh, I thought that was another. That's probably the only one we've got. All the rest are just endless. Oh. Jesus Christ. This is like Treasure Island with Robert Newton, and he's digging for the treasure. And this is what it's like. I don't know what that is there. That's a piece of it. Look at that. Well, I don't know what you're having to eat tonight, but I know what I'm having. Well, they're nice and fresh. Just got this one plant. Oh. My God. Look at that. This weekend, go to the marketplace, open a stall, and you can sell these, okay? Look at this. I don't know what these potatoes are. I didn't keep a track on the names. But that's like a Jersey mid. That's almost like a bonsai potato. Dear me. This could take a time because we don't want to. Better than putting up the polytunnel. I'm going to try and go.
Go too close.
Too close to what?
Too close to plant.
How big do you think they're going to be? Over here. Alright, let's do that then. I'll tread on the potato. I'll tread on the potato. Look at this. Right, let's see what's down here. It's mostly over there. My mouth's watering. I don't know about yours, but my mouth is watering already. I'm going to go down and try and unearth this a bit, okay? See if we can get underneath it. There, what do you reckon? We're into the clay already there. That's clay. I don't know. I'd rather take my time and get these up properly. Look at this. It's like digging up gold. Mind you, there's another bonsai potato there. You better make sure that you take a picture of these, clean them up, put them on a plate, and send a picture of these to your sister. That's another bonsai potato. Look at that one. That's a jumbo potato. I'll pull off these little bonsai ones so that we can try and convince people here that we were growing bonsai potatoes. Look at that. Alright. We'll take this and separate this from there. That's it. Look at that. I don't think there's any more down there, to be honest. And I think that's about it. Okay,
Here too.
you want that one as well?
Yes.
Now you're getting greedy.
There.
Why that one? That one looks healthy.
No, look. I worry about the disease here.
Now you're getting greedy, you think. You think you can start a little farm shop selling the bloody thing.